Hello everyone, welcome back to day 3 of our 30-day English challenge. If you watched day 1 and day 2, super. If not, no problem. Today is going to be fun. Today we are learning something very powerful. Just 3 small words, but you can make 100 plus sentences. First of all, we have to discuss to be verbs. To be verbs means am, is, are, was, were, be, being, been. These are called to be verbs. Signify existence, identity, state of being or characteristics rather than action. They connect the subject to a noun or adjective, describing them, indicate location and act as auxiliary verbs to create continuous or passive tenses. Key meanings and uses. Existence. To exist or happen. Example, I am. It is time. Identification or classification. Identifying who or what someone is. Example, she is a teacher. State of being or characteristics. Describing conditions, emotions or triads. Example, they are hungry, the book was old, etc. Location, indicating where something is. Example, the keys are on the table, etc. Auxiliary verb, helping to form continuous tenses. Example, she is running, or passive voice, the letter was written. Forms of to be verbs. Present, am, I, is, he, she, it, are, you, we, they. Past, was and were. Others, be, being, been. Be is used in base form, being used in continuous, been is used in perfect. No boring grammar, only real life speaking. Ready? Let's go. Part 1. Learn with yourself am. When you talk about yourself, use am. Examples. I am happy. I am learning English. I am ready. Now you repeat. I am confident. I am smart. I am improving every day. Part 2. Talk about one person is. When we talk about one person or one thing, use is. Example. He is my friend. She is a teacher. It is hot today. I say Telugu, you say English. Atanu na snehitudu. How you can say? He is my friend. Good. Ame teacher. How you can say? She is a teacher. Good. Part 3. Talk about many people are. When we talk about more than one, use are. Examples. We are students. They are playing. You are amazing. Say it loudly. We are learning. They are happy. You are doing great. Now, mini game, fun practice. Let's play a quick game, fill in the blank. I dash happy. She dash my sister. They dash friends. Do you finish? Okay, answers. I am happy. She is my sister. They are friends. Real life use, very important this one. Now see how we use this in real life. Hi, I am Subuddhi. This is my friend. We are from Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Now speed practice. Repeat fast. I am ready. She is ready. They are ready. Okay. Again faster. I am ready. She is ready. They are ready. Good. Now memory trick. Super easy trick. I am. One is. Many are. I am. One is. Many are. Okay. Now challenge. Your challenge for today. Write 5 sentences using am, is, are in the comment section. Example: I am a student, she is my friend, etc. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow, therefore, we will learn something even more existing. Don't miss it. Like, share, and subscribe. Keep learning, keep growing. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.